Hello viewers, this is PBA Commissioner's Cup 2022 Rain or Shine update roster lineup. Viewers, if you enjoy the video, please subscribe our channel. Team Rain or Shine. League PBA Commissioner's Cup 2022. Coach Mr. Charia Gavina. Governor Memorto Mondragon. Viewers, here is the Rain or Shine PBA Commissioner's Cup 2022 all update roster lineup. Number 1, Anton Asisto. Number 2, Biago Belga. Number 3, Andrei Karakut. Number 4, Jonard Clarito. Number 5, Nick Demosis. Number 6, Shaon Idefonso. Number 7, Gian Mamoek. Number 8, Mike Nito. Number 9, Ray Nambatak. Number 10, Gabe Norhut. Number 11, Joel Fonfarda. Number 12, Brown Guito. Number 13, Santillan. Number 14, Tolentino. Number 15, Norbert Torres. Dear viewers, who is your favorite player? You can let us know by your comment. If you think this is informative video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.